Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in OCTOPATH Traveler game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on OCTOPATH Traveler 0 game and then select properties. Now go to the controller tab and here select first disable Steam input and then make sure restart the game because changing require restart of the game. So close it and then click on play button to restart the game and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then again go to game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Next fix is to press the Alt plus Enter key. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in OCTOPATH Traveler 0 or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC or not. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bug or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Next solution is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on OCTOPATH Traveler 0 and select properties. Now go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So close Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch OCTOPATH Traveler 0 game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then check if your problem is fixed or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix controller or gamepad not working in OCTOPATH Traveler 0 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.